Sun woke up with a golden smile and shined on the world for a little while. Wake up children, come and play. Summer vacation starts today. We packed our hats and tiny bags with water bottles, snacks and flags. Flip-flops slapped upon our feet. The summer breeze felt warm and sweet. At the beach we built a tower, playing happily hour by hour. Buckets full of shells and sand, tiny castles look so grand. Splash went the waves upon the shore. We laughed and ran and splashed some more. Seagulls danced up in the sky. Clouds went floating slowly by. In the garden bees went buzz around the flowers all covered in fuzz. Butterflies with wings so bright fluttered gently left and right. Grandma made fresh lemonade, cool and sweet in the summer shade. Juicy mangoes, red ice pops, chocolate cones from little shops. Every evening near the park, fireflies twinkled in the dark. We skipped and sang beneath the moon, humming a happy summer tune. Some days we rode our bikes so fast, hoping summer days would last. Ding ding bells rang down the street, friends all gathered for a treat. Camping nights were full of cheer, crickets chirped for us to hear. Stories told beside the light, stars sparkled through the night. Rainy days brought puddle fun, then rainbow colors after sun. Paper boats would sail away, floating happily all the day. At the zoo we saw giraffes, funny monkeys made us laugh. Parrots squawked and lions roared, every moment we adored. Then one day the breeze grew mild, school bells called each happy child. But summer memories stayed bright like tiny stars at sleepy night. So clap your hands and sing along, summer days are full of song. Vacation fun will always stay inside our hearts in every way. Sun woke up with a golden smile and shined on the world for a little while. Wake up children, come and play. Summer vacation starts today. We packed our hats and tiny bags with water bottles, snacks and flags. Flip-flops slapped upon our feet. The summer breeze felt warm and sweet. At the beach we built a tower, playing happily